Hi traders, this is Dennis speaking on behalf of pipsmatter.com. In this very brief video, I'm going to be going over 3 excellent trade ideas, our new trading room, which is literally worth just 35 euros a month right now. I'm going to go over the fundamentals for the day, and finally I'm going to recap on that seminar we are having on the 14th of October in Belgrade, Serbia. Now, we've just made a very big decision here. We've turned all the tickets down from 60 to 35 euros. So if you are in Belgrade on the 14th of October, I'd love to see you at this very interesting event. Now, let's continue. We're going to be going over the high probability trade ideas first. Like I said, we have 3 of them. The first one is GBP/AUD. We expect to witness a reversal of around 100 to 500 pips. I know that's broad, but once we go into the charts, you will understand what I'm talking about. We are at a bottom of a symmetrical triangle on this pair, so we expect some strong movement to occur to the upside. So we expect GBP/AUD to go higher. I will, however, explain more about it once we go over charting. The second trade is Euro/JPY. We generally expect the euro to weaken across all major trading pairs. We've been selling it against the dollar yesterday and it worked out pretty well. Our trend breakout system is giving us sell signals basically on the euro. Finally, the third trade is silver. We are selling it, but keep in mind that a strong bullish run will come to gold, silver, and even Bitcoin. But before that happens, we expect a drop in precious metals. So let's go over the charts right now. So in our live trading room yesterday, we released 2 trade ideas. They are USD CAD, USD JPY. We also released some other trade ideas here on gold, for example, pending order. There it is. Actually, I need to remove this one. And we've had a pending order on Euro GBP for quite some time. We're trailing price and waiting for a drop to happen. We're expecting the euro to be really weak. In regards to the trades we have open, USD CAD buy, that's a bit of a longer term trade. USD JPY buy as well. Both of these trades were released in our live trading room. In regards to the free trades we released, I've already taken one of them, and that's silver sell. It's in a small profit. You can see by zooming out here that you can see that the price action is creating a triangle, but I don't think that it's going to break out from now to the upside. I do believe that we do have some downside momentum to go forward, especially if this white line here is broken. So if the white line is broken, I expect to see a strong push towards the downside, towards the 15-16 area, which is here. So 15.5 towards 16. With a 0.3 position and my small leverage here, I could make, well, anywhere from 500 to 1,200, even more if I hold on dollars. So the trade is going okay so far. Small profit, just entered the position recently. Like I said, I'm expecting price to go down. One of the main reasons for this is this strong bearish pin bar, which you can see right here. Now this is the daily chart. So this pin bar definitely has something strong to say. I think when we go over the fundamentals, you'll understand a little bit more why. So the other trades, let's go over them quickly. Okay, so looking at Euro JPY, you can see that price action, this is the daily chart. Price action is trading below the white EMA and the blue middle DC, which is a don't chain channel. I expect price to head lower. Generally, if you look at the euro across the board, you can see pressure building up. And if you remember Trump releasing that tweet a while ago saying the US dollar is too strong, and then nothing happened, but then a few weeks later the dollar started crashing, Draghi did the same thing. He said the euro is too strong, but nothing happened. So you will see an after effect of this. The ECB will stop supporting the euro will start tumbling down. This is a good trade, and if I were to enter it, my stop loss would be, so let's say this is the current price, my stop loss would be about 90 pips, right? It's going to be a big one. It would be around here. But my target TP, well, my target TP would be massive. I mean, I'm looking at a drop all the way down to this level, so much more than a 3-to-1. This would be the target TP. So more than 300 pips, 90 pip SL, more than 300 pip take profit. You can see that this yellow line here, price action, used this level here as a support, resistance, notably broken out of it here, went back in, created this reversal pattern right there, and continued heading lower. I think that Euro JPY will head lower. More of a riskier trade because the JPY is weakening, but I think that the pressure on the Euro will cause Euro JPY to go down. If you're uncertain about Euro JPY, then I advise you to take a look at Euro USD. The only thing I don't want to do is expose myself on the dollar too much, so that's why I was looking into this trade to kind of provide what can I say, a diversification of my trading. Now the final trade is GBP AUD. You're looking at the daily chart. You can see on the daily chart that this is a strong symmetrical triangle. Price action creating a low here, higher low, final highest low. Today price action already more than 50 pips up on this candle, and I believe that if price action manages to break this red line here, that we're going to see that bullish push. However, the key resistance level that it needs to break after that would be this yellow line. I think that if this yellow line is broken, then we'll see price action go above 1650, possibly head all the way up here to 1.6700. This would cause a 500 pip move. Otherwise, you're looking at 100, 150, something like this. Nevertheless, all these trades are more long term. You can, however, trade them on the daily time frame or the hourly time frame. You can trade them as day trades or trend trades. I'm gonna try and stick into them as long as I can. I'm not gonna let the daily fluctuations of price action scare me. So I'm gonna stay in them as long as I can and try and reap the rewards of my profit targets. Let's go over back to the PowerPoint. We have quite a bit to go over. So these are the free trades: GBP AUD, Euro JPY, Silver. I explained in brief detail what exactly we will be doing with them. If you have any questions, please list them in the comments below, or just join our free trading room, which I'm going to actually explain right now. So hang on. Now, we've made some changes to our services and products recently, and I really wanted to let you know of the opportunity you have joining Pips Matter. A subscription to our new services costs just 35 euros a month. I don't think you can get that anywhere else in the market. For that 35 euros, you're going to receive all our high probability trade ideas directly in our chat room, direct guidance in our new trading room, questions, answers, support, everything, the chance to meet like-minded people, gifts, discounts, and VIP access to all Pips Matter events. Now, the events I'm talking about are seminars, workshops, webinars, everything. VIP access, discounts, and even gifts. So, let me quickly show you this new trading room. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Okay, so this is our new trading room. You can see us being active from yesterday already, releasing the USD JPY signal, the USD CAD. There is a gold pending order here. Then we have the Euro USD sell. So things have been looking pretty good. Before I'm releasing this video, of course, I let everybody know about what I'm going to be releasing, so they kind of have a heads up as to what is actually going to come. I also say that I entered silver already, so you're kind of more in the loop. Now, you can see a lot more information, such as charts. You can open charts, you get flash data, you can chat individually to our members here. So you have a lot going for you. Even widgets. So this is the free room. The members only room is a payable room. You can only access this by paying 35 euros a month. However, the traders chat room is free, and we still do release information here. If you don't have the 35 euros, or if you're uncertain and you want to test us out, then just pop inside here, go to pipsmatter.com, and you'll get all the details. So let's go back to the PowerPoint. Now, in regards to the new trading room, if you want to join, go to pipsmatter.com, click on the join button. It's going to take you straight to the account opening page. Put in your email address, create a password, and you're in. As simple as that. Now, let's go over the fundamentals. ECB President Mario Draghi is due to speak today at 9 a.m. Central European Time, giving a keynote speech at the Lindau Nobel Loan-to-Written meetings. We expect a dovish Draghi and a dovish ECB for the rest of Q3 and possibly Q4 of 2017. Now, Jackson Hole starts tomorrow and Draghi speaks on Friday. We expect him to be dovish in that specific press conference, but he could be dovish today as well, so watch out. In regards to risk sentiment, it actually improved yesterday, which it was supported by the reports that the Trump administration and lawmakers are making good progress on those tax reform plans. US stock markets mirrored the positive development in Europe, with the S&P 500 and Dow Jones closing at 0.99 and 0.9% higher. The USD is also gaining on the news. Now, did you know that every time the VIX spiked above 14 this year, the US stock market actually started trading a bullish run a couple of days after that? So I said this last week, and I let the guys know in the group, and I told them that we expect US stocks to be bullish after this drop, and they are, and that's simply because I looked at the VIX. I also don't expect the crash to happen just now, or the correction. I expect it to happen in November or December this year. In regards to the seminar, things are going well. We've rounded up all the tickets to 35 euros a seat for our biggest event this year and in our history. Now, I need you guys to remember that 10% of all tickets sold will be given to the Srbi za Srbe charity organization. Really cool charity organization. They don't take money, and then it's like UNICEF kind of thing. You don't know where it's going. You kind of get to choose to who it goes. You see families there who need money, why they need it, and basically you can sponsor those families. So that's really good. If you're interested in acquiring tickets for this event, just head to pipsmatter.com. You will find the information page on the front page. If you can't make it to the event, then please head to pipsmatter.com and make a donation of even $1 to the organization. Their PayPal link is located on the seminar page. Guys, even $1, 50 cents, $5, 20, 50, whatever you can. Please, I can promise you that nobody went broke by giving. Just give $1, $5, 10, whatever suits you and whatever makes you feel good. But please do go to the website and make a donation of whatever you can. You'll feel like a better person, and I promise you, you will definitely be a better person. Our seminar event is sponsored by Kavasi.com. Kavasi is an awesome C-Trader broker. My name is Dennis. Thanks for watching this video, and I wish you happy and successful trading. Bye now.